Hello. Okay. We'll be taking a lesson today on introduction to the names of the numbers and how it is spelled. So normally it's called number words. Actually, this is not in the Montessori scheme, but like I said, I run a hybrid. So this means bringing in a little of the normal to the Montessori, or I wouldn't say the normal, I would say the commonly practiced system to the Montessori system, where children learn to spell their numbers and write them out. Of course, this exercise is not for any child below the age of 4. So we're talking of 4, 5, 6. That's the age appropriate for this exercise. So since I'm just inculcating the Montessori system into teaching how to spell names of numbers. For this exercise, I've chosen to use the bead stairs, my number cards, and my number names written on a card. I have my marker and I have my board. So I'll be addressing a class this time, not just one student. So I'll be showing what I'll do. So of course, initially my children helped me set up all my materials, and they build the stairs and arrange it out just the way I want it done. So I introduce my materials. Hello children, today we'll be learning how to spell the names of our numbers. So we have our bead stairs here, we have our number cards here, and we have the names of our numbers here. So I'll show you certain things and I'd like you to help me identify them before we go into actual spellings. Okay, remember I'm taking a class. If I was taking just a student, this is enough for me. I wouldn't need this. But since I'm taking a class, then I would need this so others can see and they can also write. So let's go. So you can tell me, what quantity is this? The children respond, of course, 1. Can someone come up to the board and please write the symbol for the quantity 1? I could just add that to make my class fun and more interactive, and a child comes up and writes the number 1. And I can tell the same child, can you draw the quantity for 1 next to it? And the child just draws a circle. Okay? Who can tell me what quantity this is? And the class responds 2. Okay, can someone please come up, write the symbol for the quantity 2? Another child comes up and gives me the symbol 2. And I could instruct the same child or another child, can you just come draw the quantity for 2? And the child goes ahead and does that. Okay. And who can tell me what quantity this is? And they respond 3. I do the same thing. They come up, they write the number and draw the quantity for me. All right. Another way to make this same presentation, because this is just a reminder to bring them back to what they have learned already. So you can go from the known to the unknown. The unknown is the names, the spelling of the names. So other ways could be, I could say, if I had, let's say 5, a smaller group, I could put them around the table and I could just ask them, can someone pick number 1? The child picks number 1 and I say, can you search and give me the symbol for number 1? And the child matches it, and that's fine. So we could just do that and have them lined up that way, the quantity and the symbol. All right. So now this is the way we spell the number 1. It's actually spelled O-N-E. Can you say that after me? O-N-E. 1. O-N-E. 1. O O-N-E-1. All right. And I place that next to it, the number 1. This is how we spell the number 2. Spelled T-W-O-2. And the class responds T-W-O-2. T-W-O-2. And I place that next to the symbol. And this is how we spell the number 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. The class responds T-H-R-E-E 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. And I place it next to it. Like I said, if I raised it up because I assumed I was taking a larger number of children, but if I had a smaller set like 5, I could place it just the way I'm doing on the table so they can see. Now I would also write that on the board because I'm taking a class. O-N-E 1. T-W-O 2. T-H-R-E-E 3. Now I'll conduct a 3-period lesson. This is going to be tricky. If I had a set here, I'd conduct my 3-period lesson just on my mat. But since I'm taking a class, that's a little challenging, but I'm going to do it anyway. So let's go. Let's raise my board a little higher so the camera can see that. Okay, so this is 1. This is 1. This is 1. Can we spell 1 together? O-N-E 1 again. O-N-E 1 again. O-N-E 1. This is 2. This is 2. This is 2. Can we spell? T-W-O-2. 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 This is 3. This is 3. This is 3. Can we spell? T-H-R-E-E 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. Now, who can show me and spell the number 2? A child can point. T-W-O 2. Who can point and spell number 3? T-H-R-E-E 3. This is my show me exercise actually right now. Who can point and spell number 1? O-N-E 1. Now I want to make this a little more tricky. So I'm going to have to rub off this so I can spell I can ask them to spell the other. Okay, so now it's going to be a little more trickier. So I say, can someone please show me and spell the number 2? And the child goes T-W-O 2. I go again. Show me spell number 1, O-N-E 1. Show me spell number 3, T-H-R-E-E 3. And I do that 3 times for my show me exercise. Then I go on to, what is this? Can someone tell me what this is? And someone stands up and say, that's number 1. And I say, can you spell? Says O-N-E 1. Can someone tell me what number this is? Someone else says this is 2. Can you spell? T-W-O 2. Can someone show me number 3? Sorry, what number is this? I'm so sorry. What number is this? I forgot I was in my what is this stage. What number is this? This is number 3. Can someone please spell, say T-H-R-E-E 3. So that's it with the board. And I can ask them to write this in the books and write the quantity and the symbol beside it. So they would never forget that. So that's how I do a hybrid for a class, a full class of, let's say, 10 to 15 children at a time. Now, working with my smaller group of 5 on my table, I can conduct a 3-period lesson here. So we have established this as 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. So I can put this back because I have connected from the known, which are these, to the unknown. So let's do a 3-period lesson in this. This is 1, this is 1, this is 1. This is 2, this is 2, this is 2. This is 3, this is 3, this is 3. Can you show me by pointing and spelling the number 1? The child or one of the children responds. This is 1. O-N-E is 1. Can you point, spell, and show me number 2? This is 2. T-W-O, 2. Can you point, show me, and spell number 3? This is 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. And I repeat it by switching places again just to conduct show me again, the 3 of them, and I switch for the second time and they do show me again. Then the final phase of the 3-period lesson. What is this? It's the number 2. Can you spell it? T-W-O, 2. What number is this? I think it's the number 3. Okay, can you spell? And the child goes T-H-R-E-E, 3. What number is this? And the child says 1. Can you spell? O-N-E, 1. So today we have learned the names of the numbers 1, O-N-E, 2, T-W-O, 3, T-H-R-E-E, 3. I'd like you to, here's my hybrid, I'd like you to take out your book, write these names in your book, draw the quantities for each of them, just as I lay them out, then write the symbols. With this method, the child cannot afford to forget how to spell each of these because he's been able to combine the quantities he's learned, the symbols he's learned, to the spellings of their names. And that ends this lesson. Thank you.